glad that I have it because it keep all the crystals staying quite a long times. I'm not gonna like telling you like 6 weeks because we don't want the clients to go that far because they now need to be done. So I am going to apply the no web top coat on the top. As I said earlier, if you are doing a matte top coat, you can absolutely apply the matte top coat on the top of condensed glue gels and floating technique. I am going to using another centerpiece, which is the amber. I think this one amber is just quite heavy for me when I'm feeling it. Okay, and then there's so many different ways to do. I'm going to move this one just a second right there. I couldn't see it. Let me move closer. I think I'll keep it flat so everybody can see it better. Like with short nails, I can keep it flat. Sometimes with long nails, I couldn't see it, so that it's tilted down a lot more so you can't see it. So now tomorrow I'm gonna do a coffin shape. Shape the nails. You want to see that, or you want to see still that? Or it's fun to do a different shape as well. Oh, if I miss, I can't wait to see Eric. Are you come visit Eric's live class? Oh, I missed something. Sorry, I have few phones in front of me and I couldn't see it because. Alright, so sorry. I have a hard time picking the crystal because I want the big one. Sometimes you're thinking like it need contrast, but look at that. It's really cool though. However, you seeing that the centerpiece that I did, you can mix and match. You can do this and then using a red one on this, it's gonna really, really pop. Like stand out completely off the screen there. So heavy. Alright, so we're gonna do some beads on this. Alright, I can't see anything. Alright.
Yep, Eric is working on his nail for a contest.
Oh, Eric, here you go. I can't wait to see your beautiful work. Live ass, are you working on it? We're just thrilled to have all of you joy. You all can do it. All right. So for all of you who just tuning in, thank you so much for tuning in. And regarding to a question, we have a lot of questions regarding to the contest. So contest is still going on. Today is the 25th. So the deadline, it will be Saturday the 29th at 11:59 PST. So you still have time to work on it. If you're doing it 2 hands, then you make sure you have like all different design, which is the requirements. 1 nails with fusion ink and 1 nails with 3D flowers. You can using 3D or you can using acrylics or a 4D gel to do that. And then 1 nails with encapsulating. You can do encapsulating glitter. You can do encapsulating hold on, I'm sorry, dragon scale, which is I'm using it. So you can do it that as well. And the other nails that you're going to do a crystal placement. So do I miss any? I think I got all 4 of them. And I think it's bonus when it's the note there, bonus if you wanted using more techniques and they're different. Like for instance, if you're doing like encapsulating and then you're doing a fusioning. So like a bonus techniques. that we are looking. So if you like it, we are going to keep this one and under the LED light for 60 seconds.